We started this group in 2021 with a goal of really focusing on the patient. And we are so excited about being able to have such success, and we're adding more doctors. And I think a patient would choose Gulf Orthopaedics if they're looking for the highest level of care from doctors who are going to make it their mission to get their life back. So one of my favorite procedures is a partial knee replacement because patients recover so quickly, but you have to have the right indications to perform that. So people who have pain just on the usually inside of their knee that has failed conservative treatment with injections and physical therapy and anti-inflammatories and braces, we could consider a partial knee. And most people think, gosh, if I need a knee surgery, a knee replacement, it's got to be a total knee. So I perform over 100 partial knee replacements a year, and these are all patients who thought they would have to have a total knee. Well, why would you have a partial knee? You recover faster, you're back to whatever it is that you do, playing golf or waiting tables or working, or much faster than a total knee, but you have to really pay attention to the indications and not make it so that, it doesn't have great pain relief. Our goal is for patients to recover so quickly that they get back as soon as possible to their activity. I do a whole lot of partial knee replacements, and I'm proud of the success we've had with a lot of happy patients.